Let's grow some food. This is Dr. Fox with another installment of Lesson 1, Cucurbitaceae, otherwise known as the cucurbits. All of the cucurbits are warm season. They will die at first frost. We'll start by looking at some cucumbers. There are a lot of different varieties of cucumbers. Most of them are climbing, and they're easy to train up a net. There are the big fat cucumbers that you slice for sandwiches or salads. And then there are also the pickling type. There's not a lot of difference in the flavor of pickling cucumbers. It's the size and how rugged they are to what it takes to be pickled. Next, we'll look at the summer squash. They get their name not for the growing season because they all grow in the summer, but when you can eat them. The summer squash grow quickly and you can eat them all summer. There are a few main types. Zucchini, probably the best known, but then there are also the yellow squash. There are the patty pan squash, and then there are a few other outliers. I tend to go for the yellow squash. It has more flavor than the zucchini, but if you want a volume, zucchini is the way to go. Winter squash, on the other hand, require a long, hot season. But winter squash are decidedly different because you cure them by leaving them out sometimes in the sun for a day or two, and the skin hardens. And then you can put them in your root cellar and have them all winter long. Being in the Pacific Northwest, I don't have a lot of luck with them. The exception being the delicata. They have a shorter growing period, and I can almost always get a really nice bumper crop of the delicata just with a couple of plants. Sometimes I get a great crop of spaghetti squash as well. They tend to grow faster. One year I had humongous, and the next just small ones. The last main type of cucurbits are the melons. There are cantaloupe and honeydew and watermelon and quite a few specialties. I don't have success with them. They require a lot of space, a lot of water, and a lot of heat. All of the cucurbits are heavy feeders, so they need very fertile soil. That's it for the cucurbits. Make sure to check out the other family videos.